Step 1. First, confirm whether the screen is level on the platform. Step 2. Measure the distance data of the green line from the far left. The measured value is 7,854. Step 3. Input the measured data into the pixel line measurement system to get the pulse value of the fault line. The pulse value of the query is 6,457. Step 4. Move directly from the far left of the screen to the pulse value just measured 6,457. Step 5. Test the appropriate energy. Step 6. Laser at the measured position. It is so easy for laser machines to repair lines.